Everyone has that something. That thing that gets you out of bed, that keeps you up at night. That thing that feels like falling in love. The one that makes every minute of hard work worth it. We call it your why. Why you get up early, why you stay up late, why you sacrifice and sweat and save. So what makes it all worth it for you? Are you dying to get out and see the world? Do you want to provide the very best life you can for yourself and the ones you love? Perhaps you want a home that holds your friends and family. Sometimes your why is a what, or a who, or even a where. But no matter your why, Monat will show you how. Monat can give you a lot of things. Amazing products you won't know how you lived without. An international business, an incredibly supportive place to grow. The chance to change and empower lives. To have a positive impact in your community. And best of all, we provide opportunities. Opportunities to experience your why. Maybe you watched your parents work tirelessly for someone else their entire career and vowed you'd do it differently. Maybe you just want a way to worry about the little things less and gain financial freedom. Or maybe you're wondering, what's next? We'll show you how to be proud of what you do, how being part of a tribe should really feel. Thousands of people are seeing their lives change financially with Monat. We're shaping the naturally based anti-aging movement, helping over 1 million customers feel more beautiful and happy, and making generosity a priority in all of our communities. I suppose you could ask yourself, why wouldn't you? Discover your potential and change your life with Monat.